Oh, that's cool. Press this switch and it unlocks it like that. And then, pretty cool. So you don't have to loosen your get your lure off your little deal. Say that instead of going on the string. I want to reach through these to get to that. Especially with this new shirt that I got on. It's off. Gonna be trying out my new fishing pole. Birthday was the other weekend, last weekend. Went to Bass Pro. Want to get a fish pole like this because all I have bait casters. So don't really want to have to borrow my dad's open face. But all their poles are really expensive, so I got this from Walmart for 20 bucks. 30, 40, I think. I think it was 40 bucks. It's also windy. I saw it before we went to Bass Pro. I was gonna get it, but we was going to Bass Pro for my birthday, so I'm gonna look there first. But I really like this pole because of the color. I don't know if I've ever used this brand or even heard of it. Pro Fish Fancy. Fish and Fancy put together. I'm also not gonna spend 70 bucks on a POV camera just to record like an hour of footage and get 2 likes. So, something right here. So, I'm just gonna use the pockets on the front of my shirt. Gotta figure out how to transfer these videos from my phone to the PC so that I can edit. I like editing on the computer more than my phone. Oh! Right at the bank. Oh, I guess. Just as I was about to pull my lure out, he came up and got it. Awesome. A little small, but in this pond, I'm not gonna complain. This pond's kind of small. I just wipe out on the bottom of my pants. I don't want to get my pants dirty because my other pants are super oily. I had one on a friend's truck last night. And I definitely don't want to get on my shirt because this is a white, brand new shirt. And I don't want to leave it on my hands and get it on my get it on my pole because it's a brand new pole. Trying to keep the phone out of the wind. pond is super small. It's really shallow too. Oh, that went. Did you see that? I don't know if you saw it because of the glare, but fish just came up to the top of the water. Looked like a decent size. See if I can get him. Oh! Might have had him, maybe not. Might have just been the bottom of the pond. Had some. Had a nibble. This is the same lure that came with the pole too, by the way. So I don't know how well. Oh! Fish came like right up to my lure and just swam away. So I guess they like it. Guess I like this lure. Oh! Oh! Did you see that? I don't know if you saw that. Had a nibble, and then like right there, fish came up and tried grabbing my lure. This is a good spot. I don't think I'm standing on the right side. I just had another nibble. Oh! Look at this. Something ate it. Oh, no. Just crappie. That sucks. Let's go over here and see if they'll actually get a hold of it over here on this side. They want to actually take it. Oh, son of a gun. I got tangled up somewhere. And nodded good night. And it broke. Okay, well, I think that's enough of that. We'll just use this video to see if what views I have. See if they want fishing and mechanics, and I'll also use it to learn how to get videos from my phone to the PC. And we'll see how well this shirt pockets for recording.